Hi guys, okay, so this is Crazy Bad Luber, and today I have a couple of unboxings for you. They are cubes, but there are some things that aren't cubes. For example, I think one thing isn't cubes, but anyways. I did open these packages already, so they're open. I'm not going to show you my address, I'm just going to take things out. I just came back from Walt Disney World. Which is located in Florida and many different places, but I went the biggest one into Florida. I also have other souvenirs from there, but these are some of the things that maybe you would like. I have cubes and other stuff. Okay, but just before I get into the packages, I'd just like to talk to you guys about the original Cuber. The original Cuber mentioned me in one of his videos because, you know, the greatest Cuber, he wanted to challenge us, and he really wants to prove himself amazing at this cubing stuff. Well, actually, I'm not really, like, look, my personal best is 24:20. I get an average of about 35 seconds. Look, I'm not the best, okay? But it's not even like 2 years I'm cubing, and I got down to like 25 seconds personal best. So you know what? I'm really proud of myself in this. And so yeah, so I thank you, the original Cuber, for mentioning me in your video. So you gave me a bit of publicity there. Yeah, so other than that, I'll email the greatest Cuber a link to this video so he can watch it. I hope you're watching it right now, and I think I will do it, but I'm not doing it like he challenged me to me and the original Cuber to a average of 5 solve on video, and well, you know, I think I'm gonna do it, but just for fun, you know, because then maybe he'll tease me or something. But you know what? I don't care. So you can tease me all you want. Okay, so now let's get into the packages. Okay, so this first pack, like I said, I went to Walt Disney Resort. The resort was called Pop Century. It was a good resort, but yeah. I have a couple of favorite rides, but before I discuss that, let's get right into the package. Okay, so okay, I'll open this package first. So first things first, I don't want to go right into cubing, so let's just get out of the cubing and start with this is a Haunted Mansion playing card deck. I didn't open this yet, and as you can see, there's like a scary mummy face on it, and in the back it's like there's like, it says the Haunted Mansion, and it says it also backwards. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, okay, and this is the and this is the box. So it says playing cards. They are glow in the dark. So let's just open this up here, and they are glow in the dark. As I already know, a lot of cubers out there, the people that are cubers, most of them like own magic also. So I am a pretty good magician. So I got some playing cards. Maybe in another video I'll show you all my playing cards. I have a lot, so. Okay, so now let's get into the cubes. I got 3 cubes. Yeah, I got 3 cubes. And, okay, so the first cube, let's go smallest to biggest. Okay, so the smallest cube I got this one at an arcade, and it's very miniature. There's smiley faces all over it. It's a keychain, and you could turn it. Doesn't turn well at all, but yeah. Okay, so this is the smiley face cube. Miniature pocket, miniature cube. Miniature pocket cube. Everything in this cube is very miniature for me. Okay, so now let's get to the medium sized, which is basically the Rubik's brand cube. I got this cube. I told them to open it for me and work it out a bit, but they didn't budge, so I had to open it while I was at Walt Disney. If you're wondering why they're in packages, I just asked them to put them inside packages for me. I also got some bags with this order here. Walt Disney Parks. It says shopdisneyparks.com store, and yeah, you see the castle. I went there and I saw that castle. So yeah, whatever. Okay, so now yeah, let's show you the Rubik's brand cube. This is a Mickey Mouse Rubik's brand cube. It's a very nice cube. Wait a second, I'll just fix the lighting here. Okay. Rubik's branded cube, and yeah, so let's open it up. I did open it up, so. Okay, so the white side has the Disney Magic Castle. I don't know if you can see that. Then the green side has Goofy. Then red has Mickey Mouse. It's not solved yet. Wait, I'll solve this. Wait a second. Is it solved? Yeah. As you can see, this is a super cube. Yeah, so the orange is Pluto. This is Mickey again, the yellow side, and the blue side is Donald. As you can see, it's a super cube, so you gotta know all the super cube algorithms. And I learned one of them, but you know, I was there for vacation, not for cubing. Okay, so, and that also came with a stand, which I already have. I'll review this. This sucks, but it's a souvenir not to play with. Okay, now my last one, I'll also show you the mechanism on this cube. I got it from an arcade also, and it's a picture cube. And it's a giant cube. Compared to this cube, it's like gigantic. You know, watch this comparison. And like, if you compare it to this, it's just like gigantic. Okay, I'll show you the mechanism on this one. This is a corner, so it's a really weird design, and this is an edge, almost like the exact same thing of a regular cube. Almost the exact same thing as a regular cube, as I said. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. In another video, I'll show you maybe my cube collection. I don't know about that. And like I said, maybe also the my playing cards collection. Anyway, so this is Crazy Bad Luber leaving you with a goodbye. Please subscribe, like, comment, and I'm almost at a 10-minute wait and 10-minute time limit or time share, whatever it's called. Okay, so I'm gonna leave you with this. Bye bye. Please comment, share, like, and favorite this video.